All right, welcome back, everyone. It's Albert Lebel. I got a challenge locking device number 6 by the one and only Jeffrey Post. And I got to tell y'all, I apologize as far as that last video, at least the last one that I uploaded. I am way behind on comments and whatnot. I've been tearing down and rebuilding my little lock lab here. I had to move a machine that was right behind me so that I can put another table back there, yada yada. Anyways, I've been busy, and I got most of it done today, but I still have to move like my work light and all that kind of stuff to the other side of the room here, so probably finish that up next weekend. Anyway, been busy in here, so I do apologize for being so late. So yeah, number 6 by Jeffrey Post. There's the bidding on the key. It is a quick set. Lock does work. I have not tried picking it yet, but I did check it out a minute ago. So we'll try it together. Bada boom, bada bing. And being as it is a quick set, I chose this one right here, and I'm gonna use top of the keyway. I believe this is one of the picks that Jason Carlson made. Little short stubby one. I like these ones right here. It reminds me of the one of the Sparrows, the flat top, or the Peterson short hook. Alright, so bada boom, bada bing. Let's get a feel for it real quick. Alright, we've got a binder about 4 right off the bat. Let's get at it. Got her. I think that was 3. 1. Felt good. 2. Felt like 4. 5. I think I'm in a slight false set, but I don't want to get too overzealous on that. Let's see, now we've got a problem because now it's not doing nothing. Alright, 1, 2, 3 is not moving. Let's make it move. Wow. That's nasty, boy. Alright. Wow, these pins do not want to move, but it is a quick set, and I know these the metal they use on these cores and whatnot, it's pretty bad. So if there's a oh, there we go, beautiful. Yeah, the metal they use on these, if you serrate them and whatnot, they can get pretty nasty on you real quick. All right, so we got it. Let's get the camera backed off. Yeah, man, I've been so busy all weekend. What the thing is I used to use this same table right here to work on locks also. So I'd have to basically put all this stuff, all my picking stuff out of the way, or, you know, so I don't get it all filthy with dust and all that stuff. And then I would have to, when I got done, I'd have to put all my work stuff away and put all my picking stuff back over here. Real pain in the ass. So now, right behind me over here, I've got a whole new workbench I just built today. And so now I can work on locks over there and pick over here. Bada boom, bada bang. Alright, so we're open, fair, and square all the way. We got a key so we can lock it back up. And let's bring the camera down over here. Let's put it over there. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, it'll be nice to just keep this part for picking, and I can tear up the other side and no one would ever know. Alright, we got one of them really tough clips on the back here. They're really strong. Let's see if I can dig into it. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, I bought some of those. I forget where, but they're great clips. They're super strong. Let me see. Bada boom, bada bang. Definitely use a shim because that sucker felt nasty. Alright. Yep. There we go. Alright, let's see what we got in here. A 5-pinner all pinned up. Yeah, I can see some evilness already. Yeah, buddy. Alright, get them laid out and see what we got, huh? Yep, got some mods there. Number 3's a nasty little guy. Oh yeah, no wonder. Oh, well done. Now that, seeing he didn't even flatten the top on that and it still worked pretty good. It looks like it's still one of those beveled quickset pins, but it still worked good. Now that's got a flat top. Okay, so on the core, ooh, specs. And a pokey. We've got threading in 2, 3, and 5. Yep, threading in 2, 3, and 5. Let's see if we can get that on camera somehow. I can't see the right angle now. Where am I at? Hopefully it picks that up. Threading in 2, 3, and 5, yeah. Alright, bada boom, bada bang. Let's get that shim out of there. Some tweezers and see what we got upstairs on the 2nd floor. We've got, okay. It almost looks like it's upside down, but that's how it was. Now, I guess maybe with a short enough pin that would catch in there. Little steel spring. Come on, buddy. Cooperation. And 2. Yeah, that one can go either way. Kind of like a barbell almost. And 3. See, here's another one. Almost looks like it can go the other way. It would work better. But what do I know? The lock worked good. And we got a standard to keep things lined up in number 4. And last but not least, another standard. Well played. Well played, sir. And I'm guessing there's no mods, but we'll check it out anyway. I didn't feel anything really. Well, there may be some slight threads in number 1. Yeah, it does look like number 1 is threaded. I don't know if the camera will get into that, but it does look like it. That's the only one I can. Yeah, I think just number 1. Alright, let's take a close-up on some pins here. Bada boom, bada bang, baby. Number 6 by Jeffrey Post. Good enough? Good enough. Alrighty. Bada boom, bada bang. Let's see what we got here. We got enough light? Yeah. Key pins. We've got this spooled pin with a sharp top in number 1. Double spooled key pin in number 2. Again, a spool in number 3. It's spooled on the top. And then this really cool looking psychedelic combobulation in number 4. Really cool though. Looks cool. And 5, again, almost like a double spooled key pin. I don't know how much of that would come into play. Maybe the top part. And then drivers, we got this really cool like cone-shaped spool combobulation. And the same thing in number 2, but it's double-sided. And then 3, we've got this serrated spool because it's kind of like spooled with a ring around the middle of it. And then 4 and 5 are standard pins. Now see, this is what I mentioned. I recently did a quick set lock that was, it picked pretty quick, and I was trying to explain why. Because on quick set pins, both ends of the pins are beveled like this. Now as you can see, these pins right here are not, they're not beveled on both ends, so they're going to it's going to be a little bit harder to pick those because the shear line is going to be lessened. Anyways, that's what I was trying to explain on that last quick set I did. Alright, that'll do her. Thank you all for your patience. I apologize, I'm behind on watching videos and the replying to the comments, but I've been tearing up the lock lab here, and I should have it done by next weekend, I hope, or at least over the Christmas vacation. Alright, thank you all so much for watching, subscribing, your comments, the thumbs up. I appreciate every single one of you, and I know everyone's kind of getting antsy about the giveaway. I know I am. It's coming. I just got to deal with Christmas at the moment. I think you all can understand that. So I appreciate your patience. Big Al, signing out.